Good morning all you people. I've just been wandering around these woods today looking to build my own shelter, and every time we get to a spot there's already one there, and this one I was really looking forward to this spot, and there's one here. It's almost log cabin-ishy, not quite though, but pretty cool. And they've still got a nice Christmas tree up. Feeling the festive vibes already in February. Nice little bench. Really sweet. But it's a shame it's someone else's. I want my own. So I guess I'll just have to find another one again. Another place. But good jobs to you, whoever done this. If you see this video, well done. It's awesome. Gonna move in. I haven't even got that much time out here. Gotta go to my friends soon. I've ordered the new Samsung S23 Ultra, so video quality is going to jump up very slightly with its 200 megapixel camera. Normally I do it with the front facing camera just to make it easier, but I'll use the back one and then you can see all the beauty in the world. Extra HD. This is getting ridiculous. I remember this rope swing, I was like, I'll go there, see if I could do one there. And there's the rope swing going over. There's not really that much privacy around here. All the little private parts have been took off already. Here I find another woodlands. Or just use my hammock as usual. Hammock of neutral of us. I may have just found my little spot. I'll put these two logs up now. Now to find some more. Slowly getting there, one branch at a time. I wish I had that phone holder, but it broke. I could have just stuck that in the ground and filmed away while I build, but slowly getting there. I'm going to get these ones going along this bit now, and possibly have a nice new home for tonight, my own one. See how it goes, I'll get more branches. It is shaping up to be an alright little hut. So far it's looking pretty sweet, just a little triangle gap there. And a nice cosy bit for my air mat to sleep on. I think that's all I could do for now, so I'll go back to my friends and my phone should be there shortly. But this is what I've done so far. I know it's not properly covered yet, but not too shabby for my first little one. It's not going to rain, so it doesn't mind about the little gaps and that. It's not really windy, so I think we'll be alright. So the next time I have a video out, it should be crystal clear, 200 megapixels and looking fancy as always. So I'll come out of here and see you when I see you.